Today I'm making minced beef fajita bowls. Now I'm always looking for recipes that use minced beef because it's economical, it's easy to cook and it's tasty. And these minced beef fajita bowls go down an absolute storm with the kids. So I've got some long grain rice on to cook over here at the moment. And whilst that's cooking, we're going to pull together the rest of the recipe. Add a tablespoon of oil to a large frying pan and heat over a high heat. Now add in 500 grams or 1.1 pounds of minced beef, plus 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of chilli flakes, and 2 tablespoons of fajita seasoning. Fry that together for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring it up and breaking up any large pieces of mince as you go. Once that mince is lovely and browned, we're going to add in a sliced red and yellow bell pepper, plus 2 minced cloves of garlic, and then fry that up, stirring it often for another 5 minutes. By now that rice should be cooked, so first of all we're going to dish up the rice. Top the rice with the minced beef and peppers. And now let's go crazy with all of those extra toppings. I've got cubes of avocado, sliced red onion, sour cream, salsa, some grated cheddar cheese, and some slices of lime. And then I'm going to finish it off with a sprinkling of coriander and a nice drizzle of hot chilli sauce. And there you go, that's my spicy minced beef fajita bowl. My son Lewis absolutely loves this from my new book, Quick and Easy Dinners. See you next time.